Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a general monthly reading for Gemini for the month of August 2025. In this reading we will see the overall energy for the month of August, key obstacles or challenges that you might face, what will be the guidance to overcome it, and what actions you can take, what will be the outcome for the month. Alright, so this will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Gemini, for August 2025. Alright. Okay. It's a word card, so I'll just turn it for now. Alright. Bottom of the deck is the Hanged Man. So I feel somewhere right now you are having this energy that you're kind of stuck in a situation. We'll see, it can be in your finances, in your work, in your career, or in your relationships. You may be feeling stuck and not able to overcome the situation or whatever has happened. Or you might be feeling stuck in your career. All right, so let's see what's the energy here. So overall energy is about being determined. Okay, you are being advised to take action. You need to have proper strategy. You need to be determined about towards your goals. You need to be very clear on what you're looking for, and you need to have that your focus towards that goal and move accordingly. You have to move with proper planning and strategy, as I said. Okay, don't take any impulsive action and think carefully before you proceed towards anything. But there is definitely movement coming in your career. I see you may take up an action, like you may think of leaving a particular job and looking to move ahead. For some of you, I strongly feel you may be thinking of starting something of your own, which will give you confidence and freedom at the same time. Okay, but don't take any impulsive action. Just have that strategy, planning, and with full determination and focus you need to take the action. All right, so that's the overall energy for the month. I see in your relationship, for some of you, I see you are planning to move ahead. Maybe you were stuck on a particular situation or a person, and you were kind of seeing the person from afar but not having that enough confidence to reach out to that person. Even now I feel in the month of August you are planning to take an action. You are almost there but you are not actually taking action. All right, so if that is the case, just proceed. Okay, don't wait for anything anymore. Just be very careful. Don't be afraid of the outcome. So you never know what the other person is having in mind, right? So just communicate whatever is there in your heart, and just be open to it. Okay, whatever happens will be for your highest good. If it doesn't work out the way you wanted, at least you will have the clarity for your next steps, right? So just focus on that. Whatever you have been waiting for to take action, take that. Okay, don't waste more of your time on that waiting energy. That's what I see, because there is a completion. Maybe whatever kind of plan you have in your mind and the action you are planning to take, it might help you with the completion of a cycle. Either it will work in your favor or it will not work in your favor. In both the situations it will give you the clarity for your next steps, right? So but I see there is a positive outcome. It's not something which will not work in your favor. There are chances that you will get a positive result of what actions you are planning to take. I strongly feel you are planning, or the person is planning to reach out to you. Okay, and they are, for some of you I strongly feel they are, somebody is here to confess love. Okay, and the result will be positive. I don't know, I'm feeling very happy vibes when I'm reading this. I'm feeling good. So there are chances that whatever you have in your heart, just try to be very vocal about it, and with loving energy, and be open. Okay, be in that receptive zone, in that receptive energy, and be open to receiving whatever universe has, because there is a happiness I see. It's like a happy card. It's something is working out in your favor, and it's something is completing over here. All right, another card here is your strength. It's like what do you have? It's like you have the capability to manage things in practical way and at an emotional way. It's like balance between head and heart. So you have that energy of creating a balance, which is a very good thing. But you need to balance your balance your head and heart in such a way that it does not make you stuck, which was the energy, right? So you need to come out of that stuck energy and create balance. Once you know how to create balance, what to how much importance is to be given to what thing, and if you know that, you will definitely see success and growth on your way. Okay, because there is definitely a success card. The world card and the temperance card, both are the positive cards, so you will definitely see things working out in your favor. For some of you, I strongly feel you are still struggling during the month of August, maybe by end of the month or of a particular in your relation or in your career. You are still, if you're not making this move, and you are working at the back end and not coming on the front line, the other person will never see your efforts and you will never get the acknowledgement. And if you don't get the acknowledgement, you will feel tired. Okay, you will be like, why my efforts are not acknowledged? It's not acknowledged because you're not coming in the front seat, you're not coming in the front line, right? So you need to be seen, you need to be heard, you need to show that you are available. Only then your efforts will be acknowledged. But I see, if you do not make an effort, if you do not take an action, at the end, by end of the month, you will feel drained. You will be like, I will keep on waiting and let me see where it goes. Okay, so that is what you will end up with. So just see what is that which is making you feel stuck, what actions you can take, and how you can move ahead. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you want to see growth, you need to come out of that stuck energy and take action. That is what all I can say. Okay, so that's the reading, Gemini. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.